was like 8 or 10 years old, the women in my family made me go through something that we called elf school, where we learned how to properly wrap a present and make our own bow. So that's what I'm going to teach you. Because it's been brought to my attention that you guys don't know how to wrap presents and are still using the gift bags, which, like, absolutely no shame. Like, do what you gotta do. But if you'd like to do it a little bit better, here's how. So today we're starting with just a square because it's easy. And so we're going to take this box, and what we're first going to do is measure out the paper. What you wanna do is measure that like short side. The paper should be about halfway up the short side because you're literally trying to cover. And so you'll have one half covering the other. You'll see in a second how we're gonna fold it. So you just wanna make sure that that length matches up. Basically make sure you can cover each sides. You'll get the hang of it. And if you have extra paper, that's totally fine while you're learning. Now you'll see that I really like to fold over the edges. This just makes it really, really nice and clean. So I tend to have a little bit of extra paper. This is also what you do with extra paper. And I left this in because I did like measure wrong with my fold, which is totally fine. I just went down, folded a little bit less, and then pulled it over. Tape that bad boy up, and then this really isn't the part that people struggle with. This is the part that people struggle with. So I did as minimal cuts with this, and I'm going to show you how to do this twice as well. So you'll see I'm folding to make almost like 2 triangles on the long edges. And you may have to watch this a couple times to really get what I'm doing here. Don't worry, we're gonna do it to the other side too. This is the most tedious side because you can't stand the box on its bottom, but it's fine. You'll see I also fold over the tops of the overhanging bits as well, just because again, it makes it nice and clean, and then you're able to stand the box up so that you can work on the top edge. I sped this up with no cut so you could really see how this was done. But to talk you through it, you fold the short sides down. This can be like the hardest part. Once you do it once, you'll totally get it. And then you'll fold the long sides down, going ahead and folding over the edge so that it's nice and clean, tape it down, and then you've got this really clean, like, a clean box edge is fantastic. I'm clearly very passionate, but that's all. That's how you get a very clean, nice wrapping. And next we're going to tackle how to make your own bows.